All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is super blessed. And guys, in about 27 minutes, 27, the CPI data comes out. And the question is, guys, what is going to happen? I don't know. I do not know what is going to happen, right? I don't think anybody does. It really depends on how this news comes out, right? We go to forexfactory.com. We can see here that if the CPI has shown that inflation has gone down, then we will see potentially a pretty significant pump to the upside. However, if inflation has gone up, we might see a drop. Now, again, guys, the CPI, it's a whole bunch of baloney, man. It is a whole bunch of baloney, meaning it's manipulated, right? They're looking at the consumer price index. How much are people paying for things, right? The problem is they will change the consumer price index and what items it is listing to basically make inflation appear to be whatever they want it to be on paper, which is very strange, right? Let's say, for example, they're tracking the price of beef, right? They might be looking at the price of sirloin steak. The price of sirloin steak goes up, so the next month they might be looking at the price of ground beef to make it look like the price of beef has not gone up that much, right? Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to Abandoned Baby. Shout out to Wendell Mitchell. Shout out to John Common. Hi, what is going on? What is going on? Guys, make sure to like the video because we have a big day ahead of us, right? Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes. If we can get 1,000 likes on this stream, I'll be giving away 500 USDT. Shout out to Mike. What is going on, Mike? Shout out to Sparta. Okay, shout out to Rafal Dude who says, are you shorting Jason? Okay, so let's talk about this. First of all, guys, if we are going to be trying to trade this price action, I do not recommend necessarily trying to enter a position during this volatility, okay? The positions I am currently in right now, guys, I am still in a, I'm in a long and a short on Bitcoin. I am also in this long on Bitcoin that I've been compounding for a while now. Okay, I also am in a short still from this setup that we're looking at in the VIP Discord. This one did get the confirmations. Okay, we gave the setup short from around 17,500. We wanted to see bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Bearish divergence on the 24-minute, bearish divergence and money flow getting lower on the lower time frames. If we take a look as we came into our box, we did get bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. However, that has dissipated. Actually, no, I apologize. We are still getting divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, what is divergence? Divergence is when the price is making a higher high, yet the momentum is making a lower high, kind of like SPF upside down. By the way, guys, he was arrested. At least that's what they're saying. If we go to the 24-minute time frame where we were also looking for divergence, you can see that we did absolutely get divergence as we came to our box of resistance. We absolutely got the momentum waves getting lower as the price is getting higher. If we go to the 12-minute time frame, we also see that we did get divergence, and not only that, the money flow on market Cipher B has gotten lower. So we did get our confirmations to enter into that trade. I am currently in that trade right now still. I have taken some profits, but I don't know what is going to be happening when we get this pump, right? So I was kind of hoping that we were going to maybe come up a little bit higher. But if we zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, we can see what happened was we had this wick right here on the chart at the price of 17,484, and we basically came up above that and then lost the level, and we have closed the 4-hour candle now below that level. We're in our second 4-hour candle, and so far it is a purple candle. So here is what I'm looking at. Here's what I'm kind of expecting. These are the key levels where I'm looking at the price to potentially hit if we are going to get a massive move to the upside or to the downside. Now, first of all, the first major area, I would say, of support that we have if we are going to get a move to the downside is going to be a retest of the highs that we had yesterday, right? Around 17.2 to 17.3. A retest of the value area high of this range that we've been forming since November 8th, right? So if we strip the chart down, all right, just gonna try and keep it slightly PG as we strip this down. We can see that this is actually just a very key area of support and resistance right here, okay? This green box around 17.2, 17.3, this is resistance. It's been resistance since November 30th. And so the first area we might look for a retest, if we get a fast move down and then a bounce, would be this area right here, okay? So pretty much when we're waiting for this kind of volatile news to come out, we know we're probably going to get some Darth Maul candles, and I'm excited to watch it. We need to be asking ourselves, where is price likely to find support or resistance, right? So we have the 17.2, 17.3 area, and then after that, we have a very high volume node at around 17,000. Okay, basically a retest of this area where we did get that bounce. And that was one of the setups that we were looking at from the level of around 16,900, okay, which I was in a position from lower, but that is actually the trade that I am in here as I've been compounding it up along the way. This long position, you can see my take profits are set all the way up to $19,000, guys. All the way up to 19K. So let's see how this goes for us. Okay. Those are the two areas of support. Resistances. Okay. If we can come above my green box here, and this green box is basically, we're just looking at, we have some liquidity right here, basically anywhere between 17.5 and 17.6. Then I think we got a straight shot up to 18K. And here's the thing, if we are able to get bullish news today and tomorrow, I think we could really have that that rally, that end of year rally, because we have not seen in the history of Bitcoin the bullish divergence on the weekly like this. We have not seen this ever, guys, never. And I'm not saying this is very bullish because of the money flow getting lower. All I'm saying is if we have a catalyst such as some bullish news coming in, well, then it very well may give us a move to the upside, okay? So when I'm looking at this chart here, and I'm going to go back to a lower time frame, the 4-hour, if we can actually come above some of our higher resistances here, if we can come above the $18,000 level, we have this very important Fibonacci golden pocket, okay? We can see this Fibonacci golden pocket is coming in at about 19,150 to 19,350. This is such an important level, okay? If we come all the way up to here, this might actually be the top if we are going to get some kind of end-of-year rally. This could be the place where we actually rally to, because it's a very important area of resistance, right? Let's check it out real quick. And why is it such an important area? It's because not only is it the Fibonacci golden pocket from the last high that we put in to the low, but also if we take a look at all the volume that has traded from the end of June until our present day, we can see that it is this very, very high volume node as well, right there on the 618. And everybody knows about the 618, right? Very, very probable that we will get a rejection, okay? It's just like that time in high school when I tried to ask out that girl. Her name was Six Juanita, right? Six Juanita. And she was a beautiful, beautiful girl. Here's a picture of her right here. She was very beautiful. The thing I liked most about her was her hair follicles, okay? Very beautiful. she would always complain, "Oh, Jason, my hair is so frizzy. I'm so embarrassed." I'd be like, 618, guys, don't look at your hair frizz, all right? We don't care. All we care about are your nose holes and how pixelated they are, right? Well, anyway, I didn't know this, but I was in the friend zone. Thought she liked me. Nope, just in the friend zone. When I asked her out, rejection. Harsh rejection. Harsh rejection. And I actually got a move back down when she rejected me. Okay? I actually walked home all alone. I was crying the whole way home, and my address was 13,000 BTC Street. All right? If we get a rejection here, guys, it's very possible that we now put in our lower low, right? This is one scenario that we are looking out for right now. Okay? Very interesting times. I'm very curious to see if this CPI data is going to be a catalyst for, basically, hang on. It's going to be a catalyst for some pumpage and then some dumpage. Would be very nice. Let's take a look at Coinalyze.net right now to see what has happened during this little consolidation, right? So what happened was we came up to that box that we had marked out on the chart. We see a large decrease right here of open interest, okay? Let me just make sure that we can see everything clearly. Yes, we can. We see a very large decrease here of open interest. This is showing us that a whole bunch of trades are getting closed out. We had shorts getting liquidated up here. This is a classic chickens drinking water in conjunction with our market cipher confirmations. And then if we take a look at what happened here, we can actually see that if we go to this is a 5-minute chart here, but we did see some bullish absorption happening in this area. But then what happened, speaking of 618 rejecting us, if we pull a fib from the high to the low, we can see that we came right up to the 618 fib level. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make this clear for us to see, because this is important stuff. This is important stuff, guys. We came right up to 618. She rejected us harshly. And we also did get some bearish CVD forming from the time that 618 rejected us to the second lower high. So things are a little bit unclear here, in my opinion, about what is going to happen. And I really think in about 14 minutes, guys, we are going to have a lot more clarity on what exactly is going to result from this. Okay? So if nothing else, this whole section here has made for 2 good scalps. Okay? This is a level we have been waiting for. Again, in the Discord, guys. I've been waiting for this level, so I did take the trade because I've been waiting for it, right? A lot of people have been waiting for it. And by the way, if you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper, guys. It is not a signals group, right? This is not a trade signal. This is me saying, look, if we come to this level and A, B, and C is present on the chart, I will take the trade, right? I'm not going to tell you guys, now's the time to take the trade, because I don't know your trading strategy, what leverage you're using, what kind of position size you're using, your risk management strategy, right? I poured a bowl of cereal, put the milk in the bowl, put the spoon in your hand. You got to pull the trigger. But it is a good community, guys. It's an educational community. So, as we approach CPI data coming out, as we are watching our trades, okay, our open positions here, we're getting nervous, all right? Our palms are sweaty. My knees are a little weak. My arms are heavy, okay? There's no substances from within my body on my sweater. I don't wear sweaters. I wear market cipher tank tops, okay? The reason why I don't wear sweaters, guys, is because I'm trying to stay amped up. I'm trying to stay pumped up trying to get ready for this volatility as it comes, guys. We are going to be watching this happen right here, right now, live on YouTube. Oh man, I'm getting so stoked. Getting so stoked, man. Let's see what can happen right now. Quest TD says we're gonna dump. Oh man. Yeah, money flow is coming up. So here's the thing on market Cipher, guys. Right? If we're gonna be looking at market Cipher here, money flow is currently getting higher right now. Okay, money flow is currently getting higher right now. So it's something we have to be aware of here, right? Something we have to be aware of. But here's another thing, right? We very well may, we do know, right, that we have some resistances just above us. So this box, this green box right here, this green box is still resistance, okay? We may still get a rejection from this box. We have to be aware. Money flow is getting thick, man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. And the wick, baby. And the candle pumpage. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Here comes the pump, guys. All right, let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. Oh my goodness. Are we going to get up to 1800? I don't know. I do not know. Wow, we're pumping, man. Take profit hit, baby. Take profit hit. Yeah! Let's go. Let's hit 18K. I mean, yeah, 18K. Wow, can you believe that? 18K? That's how low the Bitcoin price is right now. All right, so we're still in our box, guys. We're still in our box. Let's see what Coinalyze.net did during this candle. Wow, big decrease of open interest here, guys. A lot of trades have closed out. Look at that wick to the downside. Wow, this is some volatile stuff, man. Okay, let's take a look now at a 5-minute order flow chart on ExoCharts to get a little bit more clarity. A lot of longs have taken profit right there, including myself. And a lot of shorts have gotten wrecked. Okay, that's why we've seen this big move up and then a wick back down. We can see that we have longs, a lot of FOMO longs, quick scalps upside, and then coming back down. And we've had shorts getting wrecked here. Okay, but now we have officially made a higher high on this chart. Okay, we have officially made a higher high on this chart. Let's come back to Coinalyze and see what's happening. This right here, guys, could be a bearish thing. It could be a bearish thing, right? Especially if we start closing the 5-minute candle below $17,548, okay? Right now, this blue line on the chart is acting as a support resistance flip level, okay? So if we get some new longs to step in here, we could get another big move to the upside, okay? So let's see how this is going to play out. Let's take a look at the lower time frame market Cipher B. Okay, wow, big momentum wave to the upside, guys. However, if we take a look here, we can see that we have put in another drive of bearish divergence. Okay, so we have some slight bearish divergence, momentum and money flow. Okay, the 6-minute time frame, wow, money flow is getting thick, baby. But here's the thing, it's still getting slightly lower over time. So this is right here a very key level, right? This line right here on the green box, if we start closing candles below, that is a very weak sign. We need some buyers to step in right here, but we don't have any right now. We don't really have any buyers stepping in right now. And we also don't have very many shorts opening up here either. It's a moment of indecision. People are waiting. What is going to happen? What is the CPI data going to reveal? What is it going to reveal? Has inflation gone down? I don't know. You tell me, guys. Have you been to the store? Are you paying less for things? Let me know in the chat. Are you guys paying less for things? Let me know in the chat. Right Trader says, you only long or short once a green or red dot prints? No, I never do that, guys. I always wait. I always wait. No, what am I saying? I always front run the dots, guys. I don't wait for dots, but they do give me assurances. Okay, so what have we got going on here? All right, so we hit our TP on the long. Okay, I'm in multiple longs. I'm still in some shorts, guys. Let's see if we can get another move to the upside. We've got this news coming out in about 6 minutes. We have gotten a local chickens drinking water. Okay, we saw a whole bunch of longs get wrecked. We saw a whole bunch of shorts. I'm sorry, a whole bunch of shorts get wrecked. A whole bunch of longs close out. Okay. Big decrease of open interest. Now we're starting to see some players step into the market here. A few longs coming in. And we also do have some more shorts closing out. So, interesting stuff. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Now again, remember, we are still at our box of resistance right here on the chart. This is very, very key, right? Box of resistance on the chart. So, this is still a key level, guys. In between 17.5 and 17.6, this is still a key level. 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the data drops. Yeah. Yeah. This is epic, guys. This is epic. All right, here. Let's see how we're going. All right, guys, get ready. We've got a few minutes here. We've got a few minutes. Sheesh. Okay, we're getting a move back up. Now let's quickly do some technical analysis here, guys. All right, we got that move up. We saw a big decrease of open interest. Money flow's getting thicker. Are we going to get another push? Let's pull out a mini fib right here, okay? Now, it's not the size of the fib that counts, guys. It's what you do with it. And right now, we are doing what we're supposed to do with the fib. We are doing what we're supposed to do. We are marking out that area of resistance in between the golden pocket and the 786. If the price of Bitcoin cannot come above here, we very well may see lower. We've got 3 minutes until the CPI data comes out, guys. Money flow is getting thick. It's getting thick. All right? We've got some shorts stepping in to the plate. Stepping into the plate. Not up, but in. Okay, let's see what else we have going on here. Anything to write home about? Nothing too much to write home about, guys, but that was a clear chickens drinking water. A CDW. Okay? So, 3 minutes, CDW, money flow getting thick, red dot printing on the 1 minute. Money flow getting thick, 1 minute, red dot. We're going to switch back to the 24-minute time frame to get some perspective here, guys. All right? To get some perspective. Prepare for volatility. Prepare for insane amounts of crazy volatility. right now, right here, right now. Right here, right now. It's going to happen. It is going to happen. Two minutes, guys, and typically this volatility will start at 8:29. Get ready, guys, for a meteoric rise or drop, depending on how this news comes out, man. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at Jason_Casper for a chance to win $1,000. Make sure to retweet this stream on Twitter, guys. Let's see if we can get those 1,000 likes. If everybody likes the video right now, we will be giving away 500 USDT. It is 8:29. We are starting to get some pumpage. It is 8:29. Shout out to Chad Howell, who's here to smash the like button. What is the CPI expected? It depends on who you ask, but a lot of people are expecting it to be bullish. A lot of people are expecting it to be bullish, and tomorrow a lot of people are expecting bullish news as well. Okay, so it is 8:29, guys. It is 8:29. 8:29. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! We're getting a massive pump! It's massive! I've never seen such a pump in my life before! This is wild, guys. This is wild. Oh my goodness. This is wild. Okay. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Boom! Are we going to hit our next take profit? Come on! Come on! Yeah! Take profit hit, baby. On one exchange, at least. Okay, now let's see here. We're coming to 18K. 24-minute time frame looking bullish as heck. Okay. Just hit another TP on this long here, guys. Wow, man, just hit a TP on MEXC and ByBit. Okay, still holding that short, guys, from 18.6, but it might get stopped out, and that's okay with me. Let's see what is happening now, right? We need to be looking at our charts. Oh man. You know, we're close. That 18K is an important level. It's an important level. Okay, we've got 12-minute bearish divs potentially printing here. Let's check out the 6-minute. Potential 6-minute bearish div as well. Let's check out the 3-minute. Potential 3-minute bearish div as well. Let's check out what is happening on Coinalyze.net. Massive decrease of open interest right now. Trades are getting wrecked, guys. Let's see what's happening on XO. Anything to write home about? Computer's slow. It typically happens when we're getting wild pumps, man. Right. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame here. Okay, so we actually, wow, look at that. So shorts wrecked. Let's actually take a look at what has happened here. We have some longs opening up. A lot of shorts, for some reason, have closed. Can anyone think of why the shorts have closed? Okay, we are coming up to our key zones, guys, of support and resistance. AKA resistance. We have this green box right here. Then we have the golden pocket, guys. Then we have the golden pocket. Let's see what happens. Let's hop into the chat. What do you guys think here? We've got 1,300 people watching, only 400 likes. If everyone likes this video right now, we will be giving away 500 USDT. Yeah, wait for New York to open. Come on, baby. Let's pump this Bitcoin. It's the start of the bull run, everybody. All right. Let's check out DXY, man. Let's check out DXY. What is DXY doing? Whoa! Okay. Let's see what happened here. What happened here? We're going to reload the Forex Factory website here to figure out what has happened. Man, sheesh. Okay. Oof. Let's take a look. So it was lower than expected. This is bad for the dollar, guys. Inflation is lower than expected. Bad for the dollar. Good for the cryptos, right? And other risk assets. Wow, look at that dump. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Back to Bitcoin. All right, back to Bitcoin, guys. So let's take a look. We didn't quite tap into our box of resistance here. 12-minute time frame, guys, is not looking topped out. Not yet. It's not. However, anything could happen during these crazy times, guys. Anything could happen during these crazy times. Doge is up 2% in the last minute. Shout out to everyone who's trading the Dogecoin. This is wild. 61 million liquidated on this move to the upside. 100K is the next level. Wow, wow, wow. Shout out to Aaron G in the house, man. Shout out to Aaron G in the house. DXY high time frame has a yellow X on the 12-hour. Let's check out market Cipher A on DXY 12-hour. Let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. Can't wait for tomorrow when we have the FOMC news coming out. Sheesh. That's going to be a wild time, guys. That is going to be a wild time. I can smell it already. I can smell it already, guys. All right, so let's put on market Cipher A. Keep in mind, guys, the dollar technically right now is getting a chicken's drink water of this wick right here. Okay, let's just keep that in mind. Market Cipher A. I don't see a yellow X for the dollar on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, perhaps we need to use Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, so Heikin-Ashi candles, the dollar has a yellow X. This means market manipulation. It either means a dump or a pump. Typically it means a dump, but a lot of times these yellow X's just mean volatility in general. Let's see. Where was the last time we printed a yellow X for DXY? I don't really see one in any recent time, guys. I don't see one in any recent time. ETH has increased by 4%, says ByBit. Trade now. Trade now. They're enticing me to come and trade now. Okay, so let's refresh this here. It's not on regular candles. It's only on Hike and a She. Let's check out what now Bitcoin is doing. Getting another pump to the upside here, guys. Okay, getting another pump. Let's check out the order flow chart for Bitcoin. What is happening? Shorts are coming in right now. We have shorts coming in. Okay, we need to be very cautious because this could be bullish as heck, guys. This could be bullish. Right? We see shorts coming in, but the price is getting higher. We see shorts coming in, but price is getting higher. This could be bullish. Right? It would be more bullish if we can get CBD to come down below 3.7 million. If CBD comes below 3.7 million and the price is unable to make a lower low, that is bullish. These shorts are begging to get squeezed, baby. They're going to get squeezed. Dollar continues to dump. Bitcoin continues to pump, baby. Bitcoin continues to pump. Right, let's check out our 1-minute market Cipher B. Money flow's getting thick, guys. Money flow is getting thick. Alright? Your boy Jason Casper is not too bearish right now. I'll be honest. Alright? I'll be honest. I'm not too bearish. And I am in an AVAX long, guys. This is the long setup we gave in the VIP Discord. And this long too, I mean, I didn't enter the long here, I added here, but we did give that setup in the VIP Discord, guys. If you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This will teach you how to always have a plan, how to come to the charts, and instead of chasing price and following with emotion, how to have a clearly defined point A to point B plan, how to utilize risk management so that even if you take multiple losses, you can still come out on the other side profitable, guys. Right? Okay, so Bitcoin consolidating, dollar absolutely dumping. New York is going to open, guys, in 5-0. That's 50 minutes. 50 minutes. New York is going to open. We've got 600 likes, guys. Can we get it to 1,000? Let's see. Shout out to Robert Bonar, who says make sure you subscribe and share with all your friends. Yes, let's do that, y'all. Let's do that. The SPX futures is crazy. ETH is crazy. Let's take a look at ETH real quick, guys. Let's take a look at ETH. See what has happened to Ethereum. Wow. ETH, guys. Getting a crazy move to the upside. Ethereum. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. In the last 1 hour, not even, we are up 4%. Shout out to Ethereum. Shout out to Vitalik Buterin. Got a headache? Got a sore throat? Take a couple Vitalik Buterin, okay? It's a big pill to swallow, but it will definitely make you feel better. All right, so the corn, guys, consolidating here. 1 minute time frame, money flow coming down. Slight bearish divs here. We do have the bearish divs here, guys. Okay, there's a good chance that we consolidate here until New York opens, or get a little move to the downside until New York opens. Key levels to keep our eyes on right now are obviously going to be the retest here of this wick coming in at about 17,689. Let's put a horizontal line right here. Okay, a nice horizontal line. And also, guys, let's take a look at what has happened on this way up. Did we print any single prints? Wow. Guys, no. I mean, we did. We have a giant selling tail here. We have a giant selling tail. This half-hour candle right here, if we come up higher, these will be single prints, right? So far, we have this selling tail, unconfirmed, right? Unconfirmed. So, let's see what happens here. We are getting moved to the upside. We have a lot of volume in this selling tail right here. We have a lot of volume. So if this half-hour candle closes here and this selling tail confirms, that is not the most bullish thing, but I don't know if it's going to confirm. I think it's probably more likely we end up with some single prints and get another massive, extreme pump to the upside, guys. Okay. So we've got this potential selling tail on the TPO chart. This is wrong. This TPO chart I have is wrong. So we can't even take a look at this. What the heck? I guess I messed up my time here. How can that be? How can that be? I don't know. I have to update my template, guys, because it thinks New York is open already, and it's not. So it's not. All right, let's go back now to a regular 5-minute order flow chart. What is happening in real time here, guys? Not very much. Like we have compared to. I mean, when we look at the open interest, we have in general more trades closing than opening right here. But the volume has been very high. All right, so this is either a bullish divergence or this is telling us that we're going to come lower, right? Now, when I'm looking at CVD divergences, guys, I would never personally ever in a million years long here, even if we are forming bullish divergences on an order flow chart, I personally would never long here. That's just not the way I would trade, right? I would wait for some kind of a retracement. So we are, kind of forming this very, very local range here. And if we are going to range until New York opens, we might be able to utilize this information to potentially hop into a position if we're feeling, let's say, bullish. Look at this, guys. The Fibonacci Golden Pocket retracement is coming in right on the retest of this wick. So I would actually be very interested in, if we are going to get another move to the upside and we're looking for a scalp, this would be a nice place. In addition to that, right now, we do have to be aware that we could simply put in a higher high, something like this, and then get the massive drop. Not massive, but a drop down from there, right? Because this box that we're at right now, this is key resistance, right? This is key resistance. Like, this is key resistance. So we cannot lose sight of that, right? We cannot lose sight of the fact that we are at key resistance. I know we have a bull div on a TR chart, Stu Lowry. I just took a look. So here's the thing about the bull div. Personally, I do think we can come up higher. I actually think it's probable. However, I personally would not take a long here. I'm already in a long. So would I take a short right now? I personally, I would be very, very cautious. I would be very, very cautious. I would maybe want to wait and see a little bit higher. Let's see what happens when New York opens. I don't think this is a good time to be entering a trade. The 12-minute time frame, it looks bullish to me, guys. It looks bullish to me. I think we can come up higher, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I really think we can come up higher here. So let's see what happens, okay? Let's see what happens. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. All right. Wow. Well, that was intense, guys. That was intense. By the way, guys, shout out to Carl from the Moon, who sponsors this content. We have a movie coming out very soon.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
Yes, that was the time Carl took me to McDonald's in his Maserati. It was a great time. Thank you, Carl. Shout out to you, bro. So, Mahili Pinzaniru says New York will slide down fast. It could. It could. However, guys, right? So, Matt Morgan is short. He's going to take a big shirt. He's going to take a big shirt at 18,300. A big shirt at 18,300. And, short 18K. Yeah, I mean, this is a key area of resistance, guys. And let's check out, like, here's the thing. The way I like to take trades here, I like the 1 hour to be oversold. Check, 1 hour is oversold. I like the 24-minute to be giving bearish divergences. Check, 24-minute bearish divergences. I like the 12-minute to be giving us bearish divergences with money coming lower. Right now, guys, we have bearish divs on the 12, which could give us a move down, but that money flow is getting thicker, which is telling me, I think, we potentially have a little bit more way to go, okay? When New York opens, we might get another move today, potentially around, you know, anywhere between 9:30 a.m. New York time and 11:30 a.m. New York time. That's typically when we get those moves. Let's quickly take a look back at the dollar. Let's take a look back at the dollar. Oof. Okay, so the dollar is showing right now no signs of strength yet. This is wild, guys. This is wild for the dollar. Putting in a new lower low in this local downtrend that we've been in. And guys, I think this is a crucial time for the dollar, because if the Fed is really going to start, I hate the term pivot, right? Because they're not really pivoting, they're still raising interest rates, but if they start raising interest rates less, right? If we get, you know, I'm a musician, so for me, BPS is beats per second, man. Beats per second, baby. You know, not beats per minute, beats per second, right? Because I was a metal guitar player, so we play everything really fast. 120 beats per second, baby. Right? But no, here's the thing. If the Fed starts raising interest rates by 0.5, 0.25, we are going to see the dollar come down, right? The only reason the dollar has gotten this move is because the Fed has been very hawkish. They're like, you know what? In order to decrease the inflation, you know, we need to raise interest rates. Well, guess what? Inflation has just come down on paper. And of course, this is all fake, guys. Everything's fake. Money is fake. Janet Yellen is the treasury of a country that's trillions of dollars in debt. How can you be the treasurer of a country that has no money? I don't know. Imagine if everybody ran their household finances the way Janet Yellen runs the United States Treasury. Right? It'd be crazy. You'd be broke. You'd be totally broke. It's crazy, right? But on paper, things are a little bit better, right? Inflation's lower than what they thought. So maybe Jerome Powell will come out tomorrow and say, you know what, guys? You know what? I'm only going to raise interest rates by 0.5, by 0.25. In fact, more people are thinking right now that, here, let me move my head out of the way so we can see this chart, okay? Right now, people are thinking that he is going to be less intense, right? This is the projection for what they think the interest rates are going to do. Over 70% of people are thinking that he's going to be raising it between 0.25 and 0.5 beats per second, basis points, right? And only 27% of people think that he's going to be a little bit more intense with this. So tomorrow, this could spark off the rally, guys. The rally, the Santa rally, right? I mean, again, right? And I say this, I don't say this to make anybody, I'm not trying to get anybody to FOMO into any kind of position or anything like that, right? If you know me and you know the way I trade and you know the things I talk about, I am a very calculated, stick to your strategy, stick to your risk management kind of guy. However, that doesn't mean we can't look at the macro perspective here and say there's a real possibility if the Fed starts to come out a little bit more dovish, that these weekly divergences here actually do start to play out and give us that move up to, you know, potentially $20,000, 19, 20K, right? Here's the thing, guys. We can go back in time, right? Let's go to Bitstamp, right? Go back in time. We have never ever seen this on the weekly time frame ever, guys. Bullish div like this. We've seen bullish divs here, okay, right before the last massive drop. We did see some bullish divergence. If this is even considered divergence, it's hard to say. We didn't really put in a lower low, okay? But here's the difference between then and now. First of all, money flow is already in the red. Money flow is not in the red yet here. Second of all, this divergence, look at the shape of it, right? It's much different than this area that we had back in 2018. It's much different. So what I'm saying is, imagine how many people would get wrecked right now. Everybody's calling for lower. Everybody's calling for lower Bitcoin. even everyone and their mom's sister, right? How many of you got a phone call from your mom's sister the other day saying, hey, Jason, man, you still into that Bitcoin stuff? You better get the heck out. I hear it's going to zero. Well, here's the thing. We've had a breakdown from this macro range. Okay, we had this macro range that Bitcoin was trading between 65K and 30K. We had a breakdown. Okay, support resistance flip is coming in between 28 and 30K. Here's the thing. If we can come above 6 Juanita, right? The woman who broke our heart and rejected us. Okay? If we can come above this golden pocket, it's coming in at about 19,150. Then I do believe that we can very easily come back into this June to November range and fill the entirety of the range, even retesting this weekly order block at around 28, 29K. Right? That would wreck so many people. And then we can come in and put in our low. Right? But this is a nice projection because you know, large market players, they need liquidity in order to move price. If there's nobody longing, nobody can short the price down lower, right? In order to fill a sell order, you need to have people buying, right? So how do you fill a huge buy order? Get everybody super stoked that Bitcoin is going back to the moon, and then fill a huge short order and then take it down lower, right? Everyone's short right now. Everyone's calling for lower. Let's pump this price, baby. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Yeah. All right. All right, let's pump this Bitcoin, guys. Okay. The bottom is in when the announced of Vitalik's indictment in the U.S. drops. Is that true? Is he being indicted? DXY started to pump. All right, guys, let's take a look at DXY right here. DXY started to pump. I mean, I'm on the weekly, so I can't see anything. So let's go to the 6 minute. Did DXY start to pump, guys? Is this a massive pump? I don't know. How's the Bitcoin doing? Okay, we're pumping. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping, baby. Okay, you know, we're up to our area of resistance. Now, guys, the thing is, right? The trick to these volatile moves is we have to be in trades in advance. That's why we have to know the key levels, right? No FOMOing long here, right? My long trade, I've been looking at these levels. I gave the setup earlier this week. We got our confirmations. We came to our levels, right? Don't mess around with gambling during these high volatile times, right? Wait for your levels. Wait for your confirmations, guys, right? Don't let a trade get triggered until things are right. Don't let a trade get triggered like this ambiguously gendered white fat college student majoring in cis non-binary trans carbon emission studies, right? Don't chase price. Don't be this person, right? Wait for your confirmations, right? We're waiting for specifically bullish div on the 12 minute, 6 minute, 3 minute. Okay, we were waiting for that market Cipher B pattern to give us that nice shape. That nice shape. You know what I'm talking about, right? This shape right here. This shape right here. The coveted uneven butt cheek pattern, guys. With the juicy left butt cheek. Mwah! And the ravioli is flowing out and the ricotta cheese is coming out of the butt cheek. And you poke at that thing with the toothpick and the ricotta cheese that comes out. Right? And then the right side, we have that skinny butt cheek. You know, she's real skinny like that waitress, you know, the one at the diner. She talks like this, she got a Brooklyn accent, and she's got a raspy voice because she smokes too much. Right? She's bringing out your coffee. Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee. Well, look, when the price is coming down, take a look at the butt cheeks. Right? That's what we want to see, Market Cipher B. We got the green dots over here. The same way good old SBF, his man breasts, getting higher as the price is getting lower. Right? We got the green nipples over here. Money flow on Market Cipher B getting higher. Alright, it's getting higher. And we want to look for the opposite, guys, when we're looking to take a short position. Right? And so we know we're coming up to key resistance right now. We might get a little move down today after this massive pump. New York is opening in half an hour. Right now, the 1 hour is definitely not giving us uneven butt cheeks, okay? We want to see upside down uneven butt cheeks. It's not giving us that, okay? 24-minute time frame, we want to see those uneven butt cheeks as well. Right now, the 24-minute time frame, in my opinion, guys, looks pretty bullish on market Cipher B. Money flow is getting thick. Momentum waves are getting thicker. How's the 12-minute looking? 12-minute also, guys, we have slight divergences, but in general, that money flow is thick. It's thick. Right? How's the 6-minute looking? Money flow is getting thick, guys. I don't like the way this momentum wave looks for more bearishness. I am hoping for more upside. Let's pump this price, baby. Let's pump it. What a beautiful candlestick. Smells great. Smells real good, guys. Okay, I like what I'm smelling here. All right? I like what I'm smelling. I'm feeling confident. Okay? In my position here. Sometimes, take a trade, I don't feel too confident. Get a little freaked out. And it is freaky, guys. There's something freaky about this, right? I think we would all agree. Right? Hope I didn't trigger anybody with that. All right. All right, all right. Guys, we have 700 likes. Quite a few viewers in here. I wish we could have gotten 1,000 likes to do that 500 USDT giveaway. So if anyone can like the video right now, let's see if we can do a giveaway on this stream, guys. It's a good stream. It's a good morning. Let's see if we can do it, man. Let's see if we can do it. Shout out to Money Equals Happiness. Love you, man. Shout out to SS Forever SS1. Shout out to Monk, who says, this guy is a total mess, I'm sorry. Bro, what are you talking about, man? He thinks I'm a mess. Everyone like the video if you think I'm a mess. That means you, Monk. Go ahead, like this video, man. Subscribe to the channel, bro. It's gonna be a good time. Shout out to Crypto Yacht in the chat, man. Shout out to Daniel Prinsloo. May God bless you, bro. Daniel Prinsloo says, many economists say that the interest rate should be 1% above the inflation rate. Many developing countries use this strategy. All right, guys, Bitcoin is getting a pump. Let's get another little pump here. I did hear SBF was arrested, guys. I heard this. I heard this. Yes, I did. U.S. bonds are going down. On the count of 3, hit like, says Wendell Mitchell. Shout out to Wendell Mitchell. Shout out to Wendell Mitchell. Can I go live with Andy again? Yeah, perhaps we will. Can I put my head into the 1 minute BART on the chart? So you think we're going to 1 minute BART this, huh? Do you guys think we're going to 1 minute BART this? Look at the 1 minute money flow, guys. Look at the money flow. Let's go back to an order flow chart. Let's see what's actually happening here in real time. Guys, this is called a bullish divergence, man. This is called a bullish divergence. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame on coinanalyze.net, a free tool. We still see the bullish divergence here, guys. So I have to say, I think that it's more probable we go higher here. Based on all things considered, I say it's more probable that we see more upside, right? So what we see here is a bullish divergence. We see trades are opening up. We see, based on this white line, that the trades are short trades that are opening. And then the price is unable to make a lower low. Okay, that is called a bullish divergence. In addition, guys, if we take a look at market Cipher B, money flow is getting thick. Look at this. Look at that thick, thick, thick money flow. It's like a milkshake. It's like a smoothie, right? Because I don't drink milkshakes, right? How am I supposed to stay jacked if I'm drinking milkshakes? It's all about the smoothies. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Crypto 420. We're so close. We're so close. But guys, I'm gonna have to cut the stream, guys. I've been on for an hour and I have stuff to do. But we had 1,600 people in here at one point, and we couldn't get 1,000 likes. Dang, man! If everyone just hurries up, likes the stream, we can do a giveaway. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. We are pumping, man. We are absolutely pumping. Check out Coinalize. I think we're gonna get another pump, man. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. All right, we're close. We basically got 1,000 likes. Okay, we got 1,000, yeah. We got 1,000 likes. That's legit, baby. That's legit. Let's go. Shout out to everybody who disliked. May God bless you in Jesus' name. I pray he bless your whole family. In many ways. In many ways. God is good, guys. God is good. All right, let's do a giveaway, man. Here's what you guys have to do. All right, if we want to do a giveaway, make sure to come over to the Jason Casper YouTube channel. All right, youtube.com/Jason Casper. Right, come over to the Jason Casper YouTube channel. Okay, go to my videos. Go to the video from yesterday. Massive Bitcoin move coming. It happens tomorrow. Click on that video. What I want you to do is subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. You have to be a subscriber. And then comment your ERC20 USDT address. We're going to do a random comment picker, and I will be giving away 500 USDT to one blessed person here, guys. So let's get back to the Bitcoin charts. Go comment on the video. I am going to post the link in the chat. God bless all of you guys who liked the video, and God bless all of you who disliked the video. Brian Miller, how do we find this channel? I don't know, Brian. I think it's the channel you're watching right now. We need 999,000 more likes for a buoyant face reveal. All right, let's get back to the Bitcoin chart, guys. What is happening? Consolidation, 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 consolidation. All right, guys, while we are about to give the giveaway, while we are doing the giveaway, all right, make sure to go comment on the video. I'm gonna pin it in the chat. Okay, I'll pin it in the chat. I want everyone to have a chance to win 500 USDT. All right. Okay. Sato is short. Shout out to Sato. Maybe we should go check out Sato right now. Let's check him out. Let's check out Sato. All right, what is going on, Sato? Is he in a short? Yep, he's in a short, guys. Sato just shorted here. I mean, definitely not a bad place to short, honestly. I'll be honest with you. It's definitely not a bad place to take a short, right? It's definitely a bad place to take a long, in my opinion, right? Okay, so we're coming down. Are we gonna... You know what we should do, guys? You know what we should do? We should try and pump the Bitcoin price. Okay? Big Butts 28 face reveal at 1 million subscribers, guys. Big Butts 28 face reveal at 1 million subscribers. Shout out to my wife, Big Butts 28. Think it's time to short yet, guys. That's just me. I mean, okay, scalping different, but I don't see like a big position potential right here, guys. That's just me. But what do I know? I'm biased. I'm in multiple long trades. And I'm already in a short from 18.6. So I would look to add to that trade. Get a little higher, right? Get a little higher. I'm still in that short, guys. I'm still in that short from 18,651, right? So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. We're going to do a random comment picker. Random comment picker. Alright, well, unfortunately, guys, this is not a comment that has an address, so we're going to have to pick another winner here. Shout out to Aaron G, my man. Aaron G, congratulations, bro. Congratulations, bro. You are the winner. I am going to be sending you 500 USDT. Aaron G, one of the loyal subscribers to this channel in pretty much every live stream. God bless you, bro. Congratulations, man. Congratulations on your win. Congratulations on your win. All right, back to the Bitcoin price, guys. Okay, so the Bitcoin price, we are getting this this wave right here, this 1 minute wave. New York is going to open, guys, in 20 minutes. 20 minutes, New York is going to open. Let's see if we can get some crazy volatility. Do you think we can get some volatility when New York opens? Let's take a poll. I'm going to take a poll. Let's see here. Let's take a poll. Will New York give us another move? Let's see what you guys say. Let's see what you guys say here. So we are consolidating in this range, guys. I would say that right now, local support is going to be around $17,700. Local resistance is going to be around 18 to 18.1-ish. All right. All right. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see what you guys say. Let's see what everyone says. Yes! New York is going to give another move. New York is going to give another move. Futures are looking 2% higher at the open. Let's check out the S&P 500 futures. Boom, baby. S&P 500, the ES, the mini futures, is pumping like a wild woman. Wow. 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 That is crazy. Now let's check out the S&P 500. Now ES 4146. Let's see where SPX closed yesterday. 4146 on the ES. S&P 500 yesterday closed at 3990. Okay, wow. Wow. We're talking right now that the ES is this much higher than where S&P 500 closed yesterday, guys. Wow. Okay, so to put this into a little bit of perspective right now, this white line on the chart at 41.46, guys, this is where the futures market is currently trading right now before New York Open. 15 minutes, give or take, before New York Open. We have currently been trading underneath this trend line for the S&P 500. And the thing is, guys, if this is the weekly time frame, I do think there's more room for the upside here. We have gotten a bounce from a very key area of support, the 0.5 fib support resistance flip. We have come up to key resistance, but the weekly VWAP showing more upside potential. The daily showing more upside potential. A tight trigger wave forming on the daily with money flow getting thicker. So the thing is, guys, if we break above this trend line here, or if we break above this trend line, then man, that could be a really nice pump. Here's why. We are back inside the value area of this. We could get a move back up to these highs, right? We could get a move back up to these highs and just start trading this sideways range. Okay, so we have somebody who says that my pick was done wrong. Aaron G did not comment. Really? Aaron G, did you comment, bro? I trust Aaron G, man. He says, of course I did, LOL. So, of course he did, LOL. Why is everyone saying he's a fake winner? What else could... Oh. What? Okay, people don't see his comment. Alright, well here's the thing. I have my comments on held for review. Maybe that's why. Perhaps that's why. I have my comments on held for review. Let me check right now, guys. Because of all these bots that have been in the chat scamming people, because I don't know who the heck would fall for a scam that says, "Hello, my name is Jason Casper. Thank you for watching. Hit me up on Telegram for my private trading group. All you have to do is send me 5 Bitcoin and I'll trade for you." But people fall for it, right? So now I'm holding my comments for review. Let's go to comments. Held for review. And let's find Aaron G. I mean, there's so many comments in here right now. I gotta scroll through them all. But nah, he did comment, guys. He did comment. Dude's not a liar. Okay, yeah, look, guys. I mean, here, let's show you the proof. The proof is in the pudding, guys. The proof is in the pudding. There he is, Aaron G. The proof is in the pudding, guys. I don't know what else I can say. All right, back to the TA, guys. New York opens in 10 minutes. Let's stick around until New York opens, and then we can head out. All right, let's stick around until New York opens, and then we can head out. We have 12 minutes. Let's see if we get this move up, guys. I'm really hoping for this move up here. I'm really hoping for this move up. See if we can get these candlesticks up my nose here. All right. All right, guys. Let's see if we can. Oh man. Let's. All right, guys. Enough with the RNG thing. All right, enough, guys. All right, let's get hype, guys. Let's get hype for this Bitcoin price pump. All right, we are going to pump up the price with the pump song. We are going to pump this Bitcoin price right now with the pump song. Go! Here we go, baby. Here we go. Stop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump with the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, let's go! Yeah! We're gonna drop, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, let's go! Yeah! See, it's working, guys, it's working. It's working, baby. It's working. You know? Haters are gonna say it doesn't work. Now, yeah, you might say we're getting a purple candle back down. Right? You might say we're getting a purple candle back down. Right? That's because the song's over. That's because the song's over. Okay, so Divine Hood says that the value area low of the range is 18.6. Let's see if we reject from 18.6. Yeah, let's see if we reject from 18.6, guys. Sorry, Eric. If you're in a short, guys, I don't mean to play the pump song, okay? Okay, only move the price up $4. That's true, guys, that's true. But it still moved the price up, and sometimes there's a cumulative effect, right, that we don't understand, right? There's a cumulative effect. Digital Performance says we need the Rocky music. Guys, I cannot play the Rocky music anymore because I can't get copyright infringements anymore, guys. It's going to wreck my channel. Is that Christian death metal? It was Bitcoin death metal. That's right. Haters say the pump song don't work. That's right, $4 is $4. Nah, I don't have a dump song yet. I have to come up with one, guys. I have to come up with one. It has to be a different genre. Dump song is probably going to be some kind of epic rap, right? Has to be some kind of epic rap. So everyone's... So Yasin is short. Mike has never seen a red candle during the pump music. All right, guys, we have 5 minutes until New York opens here. 5 minutes until New York opens. Let's see what happens here. We might get some kind of move here, either long or short. I don't know. Right? New York tends to bring the volume, tends to bring the volatility. After a move like that, I'd be curious to really see what happens here. So, oh wow, oh wow. Interesting here. This is interesting here. We have trades opening up, guys. I mean, open interest is on the rise. Open interest is on the rise. We've got longs and shorts opening up. It's pretty much staying about even between the longs and the shorts. Very curious to see, guys. Is SPX going to gap up? Is XPX going to gap up? Probably. Right? Remember, the ES right now, the futures market, is trading at 41.46. And we have closed yesterday's candle right here at 39.90 and 57 cents. So it's going to be very interesting. We have 5 minutes, guys, until the New York opens. Aaron G says we have some hanky-panky incoming. Aaron G, man, I'm going to send you the 500 after the stream, bro, because I have to log into all my stuff, and I can't do that on stream. All right, DXY is taking a dumperoni. Let's check out the DXY. 4 minutes to New York open, guys. DXY still dumping. No pump in sight for DXY. No pump in sight for DXY. Let's check out the ES. Are we still pumping on the ES? Still pumping, guys. Still pumping. Alright, so this is actually a pretty key level for ES right here. Wow. ES did just hit this high. Okay, so ES is at a pretty interesting level here, guys. It's at a pretty interesting level. That 41.75 is a pretty dang interesting level. So, 3 minutes until New York. And then we will see what is about to happen here. We will see what is about to happen. Shout out to Yasin. I love you too, bro. Shout out to Aaron G. That's funny, Sober Life. That's funny. A nice Papa Roach reference in the comments here. Is CPI data up or down? Says Snooker Chess Fashion. It's down. CPI is down. It's less than expected. Bearish divs on lower time frame. Yeah. This is crazy, guys. Stock market, futures, pretty crazy. We do have this high right here. 41.75 CDW. So we got 2 minutes, guys, until my friends in New York City. wake up and start trading. Oh man, getting a drop here. Getting a drop right now. Let's check out Coinalyze. What is happening here on Coinalyze? This is the 1 minute time frame, guys. We've got open interest increasing, and we have some shorts coming in. Right, just a few. Nothing to write home about, guys. Nothing yet to write home about. Right. We did see some bullish CVD, gave us a little move up, and now we're just consolidating here, waiting for New York to open, guys. Look at that, though. The bullish CVD gave us a move up right into 6 Juanita, and then we absolutely got rejected. Right? We got rejected. From our you guys can't see her because of me, right? But there you go. There she is. She rejected us. But we are hoping, guys, although we're in the friend zone, it is possible that 6 Juanita is there to give us support and offer a shoulder to cry on. 1 minute, guys, until New York opens. We've got 1 minute. 1 minute. We've been here for the CPI news, Pumperoni extravaganza. And now we are here. 1 minute until New York opens. Let's go to our favorite time frame, the 12-minute. Money flow getting thicker than a smoothie with almond butter, sprouted almonds, of course. Okay? We don't want those anti-nutrients, guys. And avocados also in the smoothie. Short it to the abyss. All right, guys, New York is open. New York has just opened. New York has just opened right now. Let's get a quick look at what exactly New York is doing here. They are opening positions, longs and shorts. Okay, we've been having some pretty significant volume here. The last few candles, around 2 million per candle. Okay, let's see what happens here. We've got a few longs opening up. Nothing to write home about yet. Nothing to write home about yet. Let's check out SPX. What did the S&P 500 do? Did we get that gap up? Boom, baby! SPX gap to the upside. A massive gap. Massive gap to the upside on the S&P 500. Bullish looking market. Cipher B. Green dot printing on the daily time frame. 24-minute VWAP, nice and poignant to the upside. Candle floating in outer space past the Van Allen radiation belts, going right to the moon. Bitcoin starting to get a little move to the downside here. Let's see what's happening. We do have an increase here of open interest. Trades are opening. We have volume coming in right now. People are starting to trade a little bit here. Longs and shorts opening. So far, we've got a few more shorts than longs. Let's see what happens here, guys. You know how New York likes to do it. The old 1-2 punch. The old 1-2 punch, right? Let's see if we do something like this, guys. Let's see if we get another little bounce here. 2 minutes since New York has opened. Dump it to 3K, says some people. Dump it. Looks like we have 1 minute bullish CVD. So, shout out to 6 Vanita who changed her mind. Oh, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we're going to dump. Are we going to dump? Or are we going to pump? I don't know. Could be an uneventful New York Open again. We do have... I don't even know what we have, guys. We do have open interest increasing, and a lot of people are trying to short this. To me, obviously, we could come down quite a bit from here. But, like I said, because I'm already short here, I'm not in a rush to enter a new position right now. I am not in a rush to enter a new position right now. That 12-minute money flow is looking thick, guys. It's looking thick. And New York has opened. New York has opened. All right, let's check out the DXY candle real quick. DXY. Wow. DXY is starting to get a move to the upside, guys. Well, be cautious then, longing, right? Because that's bearish for Bitcoin, guys. That's bearish for Bitcoin. Let's check out SPX one more time. If we fill the gap, guys, let's see if we fill the gap and then pump up higher, right? This would be a huge gap to fill right now. And if we are going to fill this gap, we are talking about a 2.5% move to the downside for the S&P 500. Sheesh, man. All right, well, if any time, maybe I might YOLO into a short, guys. 100x my whole account into a short right now. That being said, guys, I am going to be heading out. God bless everybody watching the stream. I pray everybody is very blessed. Now, I don't really take myself seriously, but I take my relationship with the Lord very seriously, guys, because Jesus is the reason that I get up every single morning. He gives me hope, right? An eternal hope that I have, even though the world is so crazy. And I know not everybody is religious. That's okay. I don't care what you believe, but I do pray that everybody watching and listening is blessed in many ways. And so receive this blessing. I'm going to say it in Hebrew, my mother tongue. Yevarechacha Adonai v'yishmerecha ya'er Adonai panavalecha v'chunecha yisa Adonai panavalecha v'yasemlecha shalom b'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Israel, which means in English, may the Lord bless and protect you. May he shine light upon you. May he have grace upon you. May he turn his face towards you and give you completeness in the name of Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel. God bless all of you guys. I love all of you guys. Peace.